Microsoft wants to completely eliminate C from its entire codebase by 2030, using AI to make it happen. This is huge. Hey everyone, today we're covering an incredibly ambitious announcement from a Microsoft veteran that could transform how the company writes code. Let's dive in. Back in July, Microsoft revealed they're heavily integrating AI into their development workflow. Their internal AI-powered coding assistant now handles code reviews for over 600,000 pull requests monthly. That's 90% of all pull requests across the entire company. But their plans go even further. Microsoft distinguished engineer Galen Hunt made a bold declaration in a LinkedIn post: eliminate every single line of C code at Microsoft by 2030, replacing it with Rust and AI assistants. Hunt's mission? Enable individual engineers to produce 1 million lines of code per month. Now, this metric is questionable. Even Linux creator Linus Torvalds recently noted that lines of code is a pretty meaningless productivity measure. Hunt also highlighted a robust code processing infrastructure that lets Microsoft deploy AI agents to modify existing code at massive scale. To execute this vision, his team is hiring a principal software engineer with at least 3 years of system-level Rust experience. Rust has been gaining traction at Microsoft for good reason. The company has been promoting Rust for driver development, primarily for enhanced security. Rust offers built-in memory safety and concurrency safety mechanisms, addressing the most persistent vulnerabilities in C code, things like buffer overflows and memory management bugs. Galen Hunt has spent nearly 30 years at Microsoft. He's currently part of the Future of Scalable Software Engineering Group and Microsoft Core AI. His team's goal? Develop tools that eliminate technical debt, not just at Microsoft, but across the entire software industry. The response has been mixed. Many developers are questioning whether migrating entirely to Rust is feasible or wise. Hunt has defended the decision, consistently pointing to Rust's safety features as justification for eliminating entire categories of bugs and security vulnerabilities. Whether Microsoft can achieve this complete transformation by 2030 remains uncertain. Their existing C codebase is massive, but this announcement signals a major shift in how they think about code safety, productivity, and AI's role in software development. What's your take? Is this achievable or overly ambitious? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching.